engine overheating, weak cabin heat, poor fuel economy, or a check engine light. These may be signs of a failing thermostat assembly. The assembly contains two thermostat elements. One controls engine block temperature, the other controls cylinder head temperature. Together, they regulate coolant flow and keep the engine at its optimal temperature. OE units typically use a plastic housing, which can become brittle or crack after long-term exposure to high temperatures, typically after 7 to 12 years or 100,000 to 150,000 kilometers. Vika thermostat housing assemblies operate the housing to ADC-12 aluminum alloy. Stronger, more durable, and highly resistant to aging. It helps extend service life. Its better thermal conductivity also helps maintain stable engine temperature. Precision machine connection services provide a tighter fit and help reduce coolant leaks. Covering popular Volkswagen and ŠKODA models, the Vika aluminum thermostat comes with a 24-month warranty. Click the link below to download our latest catalog and subscribe to Vika DPA for more professional repair knowledge.